said he's good to go. Turner Evolution, we're gonna count it down. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Hey, give it up for your volunteers. That's
Deuce battles. It's going to be late. It's at SOA tonight at 8 p.m. Very, very good. We're moving for the community. Check us out. Ringside Club.
Yeah.
You guys are true showmen. A big round of applause, though, please.
Welcome to Tuner Evolution.
Music by the sun. Music by the sun.
know you're a car person.
Yes.
What's your favorite car?
I love them all, maybe. I don't have just one favorite. But since my nickname is KK Chevelle, in some ways, it's probably going to be a Nova or a Chevelle.
And
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. They don't rap no more. They don't rap no more. Do it for the likes and the clicks and the pics. They don't rap no more. 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 Do it for the look. It's all for the look. They don't rap no more. I came up on that classic shit. I just want that feeling back. We just want that feeling back. Yeah. Came up on that classic shit. I just want that feeling back. We just want that feeling back. Let's go, baby. Come on. Going at the best, tell them I'm at their neck. I need the money and the power, been have respect. I've been slept on for the longest. Not a team strong and the flow made of Teflon. While the internet debating who the next on, I'm the young OG who they slept on. That don't mean that you can rap if you're bred long. If you rap wrong, then I'm skipping to the next song. I ain't trying to get stuck up in the friend zone, shorty what's poppin'. I'm really trying to weigh my options. Me, you, and Hennessy, and we vibing. They done labeled that boy a problem, and my fam know that I got them. Been a lot of places, but I'm PA zone, and they still show love when I ride it through. I'm fourth quarter of the LeBron around. Turn shows into movies like Entourage. Hey, young Vince with a squad in the fifth, did it all off the strength with the clip. We ain't have a cent. Now I'm trying to get what I can get till it's high off life on a blip. Lobster and shrimp. Cause a sacrifice, man, these dudes ain't half as nice. I'ma throw an east side party on the afterlife, like Tupac, let the whole crew rock. Run the baby old now when he crazy. Always trying to air shit out like Tom Brady. Running your route, but you faded. People you know be the main ones hating. That's the way it go, the way it is. State your name, and state your biz. I get back one more time. They don't rap no more. They don't rap no more. They don't rap no more. Do it for the likes and the clicks and the pics. They don't rap no more.
These prospects from Daytona.
As we kind of a little excited right now, we got the girls waiting right here, but we wanted to touch on something very serious. We at Tuner Evolution, and we booked all this, all this is months, even like a year in advance. And then recently, we had some of these tragedies locally, Orlando. A lot of you guys are local, so it probably hits very, very close to home. So we wanted to touch on that real quick, show our respect. It's not just you locals. I mean, that's a loss of life.
Our favorite vehicle is her BMW i8. It has a unique look. Perfect. Yeah, come on. You guys want that lanyard? What about that t-shirt? Something interesting about her is she's a twin. There's two of them. Three words to describe herself is, oh my God. Craziest thing she's ever done is swim with sharks. This is number 2. These girls are risking. I like it. And her face. Look at this face. Look at this face. Come on. Her favorite drink is Jack and Coke. Something interesting about her is she would rather attend Carmex as a first date than go out to dinner and a movie. That's one hell of a girl. Who wants this t-shirt? Her favorite hobby is traveling. Craziest thing she has done, there's way too many. You want that t-shirt? Her drink is a Jaeger bomb. Her favorite body part is her big, juicy booty. Her favorite vehicle is a Team Ranch F250 Power Stroke. She's also the host of a new show on the Food Network, and she's done a music video for Pitbull.